Hey everyone, Alex here. Welcome to another Bandsaw Live tip. Now, today I'm installing tires, and I've done it on many a saws over the years, and every once in a while you get a tire that's just a little bit wider than the groove that's in your wheel. Now, this is an 1 1/8" tire, and this is a 15/16" groove. So I've taken the wheel off because I want to show you the easy way to install the tire once we do trim it. So we're just going to set that to the side. And all I've done is I've taken a piece of 15/16" scrap, little piece of maple. Got a brand new razor blade. I'm going to use a couple of clamps here. One to clamp that razor blade to that 15/16, just snug, don't over tighten it yet. We'll do the same thing over here. And we'll snug this one down, making that razor good and solid. It's also exactly 15/16 from the bottom of the table there. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to slice that. And again, it's really important that you start with a sharp razor. These aren't very expensive. So once I've got that worked in there, then I can just keep a little bit of pressure there and pull that through. Now, the reason I like to do it this way is, number one, the razor is stationary. I'm pulling the material into the razor, I'm not pushing it. It just is a very easy way to get this exactly 15/16. And everybody's got a scrap piece of wood. And again, these razors aren't that expensive. Just like that. We've got ourselves an extra rubber band. And we should have a perfectly trimmed tire. Look at there. Fits right in that groove perfectly. So then when you want to install this, have a couple of these. We're going to stretch it out as far as we can go. And then we just begin to stretch that on if you need to. Sometimes I have had to put a third one on here. And then just work that right over the edge. And we just simply place that rubber tire right into that groove. Everything looks clean and even. Don't forget that if you put rubber tires on your saw, you're going to have to use a contact cement to be able to make sure that they adhere to that wheel real well. They're not like a urethane tire. Urethane tire doesn't require any glue, but rubber tires, sometimes they'll give you a little bit smoother of a cut just because they are a thicker material. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.